Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get an amazing and totally free movie app on your Firestick, where you can access thousands of movies and TV shows. So first of all, what you have to do is get the app called Downloader to your Firestick. You can actually get Downloader totally for free from your official Amazon App Store. To do so, we have to go to search on your device, and now here in the search bar, we gotta start typing Downloader. So let's do it right now. And as you can see, Downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. So we click on it, and that's the app that you gotta get to your Firestick device. But after you get Downloader, it's not over yet, because you still have to set it up. So in order to actually stop Downloader, you'll have to go to Settings by clicking on that button with the gear icon. Then you'll scroll down and go to My Fire TV. Let's open it. And from here, what you have to do is turn on the developer options on your device. However, on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire TV Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry, because it's pretty easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do it fast, so let's do it. And you can see, now for me at the bottom it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case, and in your case it's going to say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options, which have appeared for us right here. Open them, make sure to turn on the ADB debugging, then you gotta go to install known apps, and now from here, all you have to do is locate Downloader and turn that option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now finally we go to the list of applications on your Firestick, which is right here. We open it, and here's the Downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your Firestick. But before actually using Downloader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing, and it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN, because they're super fast, they got a great app for Firesticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In a VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Canada right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online, and that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Firestick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now finally, let's use Downloader safely. So we go straight to the list of apps on your device, open it up, and then go to Downloader. So we open it, and now here in the app, all you gotta do is open that search bar, and in the search, start entering the code, which is gonna be 375556. So once again, it's 375556. That's the code you have to enter, and then you gotta click on go. And while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel, so you would get even more content about Firesticks, as well as please hit the like button below this video. It truly helps me a lot, and that way I'll be able to create even more videos for you. Now the download of the file has started. Usually it doesn't take long, but of course it all depends on your connection speed. In my case, I got a pretty fast connection, so that took us only a couple of seconds, Then you have to click on Install and just wait for the app to get finally installed on your Firestick device. And after it is installed, don't click on Open yet. Instead, you should press on Done, because this way you'll have an option to delete the installation files, as you don't really need them anymore on your Firestick device. To do so, just click on Delete and delete once again. This way, you get rid of unnecessary files from your Firestick and save yourself some free space on your device. And that's really important, because by default, your Firestick doesn't really have too much of free space available anyway. And now, the next step we gotta take is go straight to the list of apps on your Fire TV device. Here it is, let's open it. And now, when it loads for us, we shall see the new app which we downloaded. Yep, here it is. So now I would recommend you to click on the Options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. So click on it and then press on Move to Front. This way the app is always going to be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's going to be super easy for you to access the app every time needed. Just don't forget to keep your VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. So enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.